I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 48 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is a repeating pattern. So I have these drummers because when they drum it's a repeating pattern. A tea bag cover. I did not have a tea bag cover, so I just made my own. Something that sits on the table. We've got the flowers, we've got the glasses and the coffee. Something soft. I've got these little birds. Numbers written backwards. I put 2023 backwards. And bonus is wrapping paper. And I had this scrap of wrapping paper sent to me in Happy Mail. So that's what I'm going to use. So without further ado, let's get started. So I hope everyone's doing great, and I hope if you're in the United States that you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Ours was good, and we went shopping yesterday. Not my favorite activity, but it was still fun. It's always nice to be with the family. So, got some Christmas shopping done. Okay. I'm thinking along the lines of something like that. Maybe like that. I think I'm going to cut that down just a little bit. Alright, I like that. See if I can get this lined up. I'll go ahead and put a dab of glue on it. Well, now Christmas is coming. So, now we're really... Sorry about that. My laundry was finished. Okay, so let's see where we were. Okay, I think I'm going to do that. See, I have a repeating pattern, the drums, tea bag cover, something that sits on a table, something soft, numbers written backwards, and wrapping paper. So I have everything. So then it's just the embellishing. So let me some of these things glued down. I finished my Lisa Gardner book, The Neighbor. It was really good. I really, it kept you on the edge the whole time, and I really liked it. And I'm going to try to start the fourth one today. And I'm in book 5 of the Harry Potter series, and I've gotten a few chapters into that. I did a lot of sitting in the car reading yesterday while my sons went into some of the places that they wanted to go to shop. I don't do very well in crowds. I get panic attacks, and so I try not to, you know, especially like gaming stores and stuff. I just sit in the car. I'm perfectly happy. As I always take my iPad with me, and I had 2 books going, so if I got bored with one, I would switch to the other. But I finished the Lisa Gardner. It was really good, like I said. Okay, I'm going to put this down. I drink iced tea, and my tea bags don't have covers. So, okay. And I'm going to use that to tuck my prompts in. So, see if I can get that to stay down a little better. What I do with my foam folder. There we go. So now I'm just going to do some embellishing. I got a big old thing of new washi tape, so I'm anxious to work with it. I love pretty washi tape. It just makes me happy. And my husband and I are still enjoying House. Haven't got to watch a George Gently lately, so I may watch one of those today. Okay, and I've got this one I think I'm going to use. This is going to be really, really simple. Now, I got to get all my Christmas decorations up. Figure I'll do this next week. Start working on it. I have to move that one so I don't keep grabbing it. I don't put up near the decorations I used to. My mom really got into decorating, and I used to be that way. My husband really could care less for it. And my sons enjoy it, but they don't want to do the work. And me, it's hard for me to get into the spirit since my family's passed away. There's not really any of my people left that, that I spend time with. I know a lot of it's my own fault. You get so busy, and we live a good distance away. There's always so much going on. I feel like I need something in that spot, but I don't know what. Okay. Let's see if I can find. Everything's kind of modern, so I don't have a lot of appropriate stuff. Alright, I like this. The ordinary is often the extraordinary. Let me see. Okay, I like that. Glue this down. some glue on that one. There we go. It's simple. It's not my favorite, but it does meet the prompts. So I've got my repeating pattern, which is the drums, my tea bag cover, something that sits on a table, something soft. I've got numbers written backwards, and bonus, I've got wrapping paper. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. And just keep hanging in there. So until next time. Oh, y'all be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP 48 to see what everyone else has made. It's a lot of talented people out there. So until next time, bye y'all.